Veg head alert! Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. We're going yellow today, and you can't go yellow without this. Life keeps on giving me lemons, so I'm gonna keep on using them. Two yellow fruits for the price of one in no-bake cheesecake. Yeah, that's right. Cheesecake needs a crust. You already know what that means. That's right, it's time for my
Word of the day!
amaranth. It comes from a really tall plant with bright red flowers, and it's packed with vitamin C. Amaranth popcorn, anyone? This is so much fun. The warm butter and the warm amaranth is warming up the honey, and it smells so delicious. No-bake crust for my no-bake cheesecake. Chilled and firm. Cheesecake, 4 ingredients. 1, softened cream cheese. 2, sweetened condensed milk. Stops the cake from becoming an ice cube. 3, limone. And 4, sweet, silky mango puree. And now we blend. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Into the freezer they go. So easy, so tasty. I'm going in. Lemony, creamy, crunchy.